will take the round rectangular shape there. I will make the changes. So there we will try the option. We have that design there. I will try my best to make the changes. Use another shape. Add a paint there. Let's make the changes.